Nothing. I am bored.
What do you feel like?
I feel like going out.
I feel like staying home.
What? Oh no.
I feel like watching TV all the time. Oh yes!
Where are you going?
Hey friends, today's smart training is about a smart expression, feel like. When you want to do something, you have a desire to do something, then we use the expression feel like. The sentence structure that is used in English usually, and especially that will be used in this expression, is the subject, who is the doer of an action. Then we have verb, and you can see that verb is divided here in two kinds: helping verb and principal verb. Helping verb are is, am, are, has, have, as helping verbs, and different auxiliaries are being used in English language. Then we have principal verbs, verbs like go, eat, sleep. All these sort of verbs are known as principal verbs. Then we have the object, who is the receiver of an action. So this is the basic sentence structure that is used. When we are using this expression in the present situations, after subject, we use feel like, the fourth form of the verb, which is known as present participle, or we use the first form of the verb with an ing. The first form of the verb plus ing. Go becomes going. This going form is known as present participle. Then we have the object. If we are using this structure in the simple past, after subject we use felt like, and likewise same as we used in the past slides. As you can see, after feel like we use fourth form of the verb. Here the same fourth form of the verb can be seen, and afterward we use an object. Now we comes towards the examples. She feels like singing. You feel like playing soccer. Here you can see there is a difference with he and she, with it and some singular names. We use feels. We use feels and we add s with feel. She feels like singing. And when we are using the first and second person, that are I, we, and you, we use feel like. You feel like playing soccer. You have a desire, you have a wish. And when we are using the expression in the past, we use they felt like learning English. They felt like learning English. Here, the same pattern, the same structure has been used in a substitute table. For example, We can say Vicky doesn't feel like eating pizza. Or we can say we don't feel like going home. The first block here is the subjects, then we are using the helping verb doesn't, don't, didn't, that is being used in the negatives. Then we use feel like, and after feel like we use the objects. So Vicky doesn't feel like drinking milk. We don't feel like going home. We didn't feel like watching movies. So they are different verbs which can be used, and the list is infinite. You can use any amount of verbs in it.
Hey, what's up? Nothing. I am bored.
What do you feel like?
I feel like going out.
I feel like staying home.
What? Oh no.
I feel like watching TV all the time. Oh, yes.
Where are you going?
I feel like going out. I feel like enjoying a lot. I feel like watching a movie. I feel like going to a restaurant.
I feel like doing all the things like you. Let's go out.
Oh, stop!